Hello everybody, welcome to the market views update for 9th July 2018 from Brokerage Free. Let's have a look at the important points from last week trading sessions. The markets ended on a bullish note. Foreign institutional investors sold shares worth about Rs 968 crores. Domestic investors bought shares worth about 1480 crores. A shooting star-like pattern was formed on the daily charts. We will see this in a couple of slides later. Let's have a look at Nifty. Nifty opened at 10,744 and closed at 10,772. Nifty made an intraday high of 10,816 and a low of 10,735. The markets swung by about 81 points. The markets closed by about 22 points up from the previous day close of 10,749. Support levels at this point of time for Nifty is around 10,735 and 10,695. Resistance levels are at around 10,811 and 10,853. Bank Nifty support levels at this point of time is around 26,404 and 26,309. Bank Nifty resistance levels are at around 26,595 and 26,700. Let's have a look at shooting star candlestick. This candlestick is generally observed when the open, low and close price are almost the same. There is a long upper shadow twice as long as the body. The bulls and buyers push the stock prices up. The bears bring the stock prices down. The closing price is near the open price. This candlestick normally indicates a trend reversal. This signal is not considered a very strong signal. We have to use a combination of patterns and indicators to determine our next strategy. Shooting star formed at the end of a bullish trend is used as an exit point. Let's actually see the shooting star candlestick in the charts. Here we have the daily charts for Nifty. If you can see, the open is around 10,744 and the low is around 10,735, which is not very different. And if you can see the high is about 10,816, roughly about 80 points up from the opening price. And it has come down and closed at around 10,772 with a difference of about 22 points, roughly about 22 points from the previous day close here. So this is this type of pattern, when it is called the shooting star pattern. It somewhat closely resembles the shooting star pattern, but when this happens, it is expected to see a trend reversal at this point of time. Let's see how the markets evolve today on Monday. Let's have a look at the long build-up. Long build-up happens when people open long positions, and because of which the price increases and the open interest also increase. Bharat Petroleum appears in this list with a change in open interest of more than 5%, which is 6.65%. The percentage change in price is roughly about 0.81%, which is not very much. We have other notable stocks: Mahindra & Mahindra, State Bank of India, and HCL Technologies and Tata Consultancy Services appearing on this list. Indian Oil Corporation also appears on this list, which is again an oil company. So these are the stocks that appear in the long build-up list. If you're trading in these stocks, please take note of them. Long unwinding happens when people who have opened long positions, they close those long positions, and because long positions are being closed, the price decreases and the open interest also decreases. We have GAIL with a change in open interest of 3.64 and a percentage change of about 0.53 in its stock price. All of the stock prices that we have in this list has a percentage change of their price less than like 0.5%, which makes it not very significant. And the change in open interest also seems to be much lesser for the remaining stocks. Short build-up happens when people open short positions, hoping that these stocks would in the near short term lose its value. Because people open short positions, the price decreases but the open interest increases. So top on the list is Tech Mahindra, which has a change in open interest of about 6.7% and with a percentage change of 1.82% in its price. Other notable stocks with above 4% change in open interest are Titan, Eicher Motors, Z and Z Entertainment Limited and ICICI Bank. So they also have somewhat about 0.94% for Eicher, and with a change of about 261 rupees, which is notable. And we have Z Entertainment with a difference of about 7 rupees. ICICI Bank with a difference of about only 1.5 rupees. Bharati Infratel has a change of about 1.43% in its price and a price change of about 4.35 rupees. So these are the stocks appearing in the short build-up list. So if you're trading in these stocks, please take note of them. Short covering happens when people close their short positions, because of which there is a marginal increase in its price and the open interest also decreases. So here on this list we have Hero MotoCorp with a percentage change of about 5.33% and a change of about 3.75% in its price. We have other notable stocks. Infosys appears on this list, Grasim Industries, Yes Bank, Bajaj Auto Limited, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation, Reliance Industries Limited, and Bajaj Finance. So all these stocks appear in this list, with Bajaj Auto having a percentage change of about 1.79% and with a difference of 53.15 rupees. Hindustan Petroleum also has had a notable change with the percentage change of 4.52% and a change of about 11.6 rupees. So if you're trading in these stocks, please take note that any marginal rise in prices because of short covering happening in these stocks. Let's have a look at the world markets. The American markets, Dow Jones was up by about 0.41%, S&P up by about 0.85%, Canada up by about 0.74%, Mexico up by about 0.86%, Brazil up by about 0.61%, and Chile up by 0.34%. England was up by about 0.19%, Europe up by 0.34%, France up by 0.18%, Germany up by 0.26%, Switzerland up by 0.27%. European markets, the Asian markets, Japan up by 1.15%, Hong Kong up by 1.73%, China up by 1.66%. Mumbai Sensex and NSE Nifty was up by about 0.23 and 0.21% respectively. At the time of preparing this report, Singapore Nifty was up by 70.5 points, which is pretty high, and with a difference of about 0.65%. If this is to give any indication, the markets should open marginally higher than what it closed on Friday, and hopefully continue the bullish momentum. Let's wait and watch how the markets evolve today. Thank you for watching this edition of Market Views Update from Brokerage Free. Invest wisely for a better future. Good luck with your trades. Thank you.